Hi, Marva. This is Stacy Napper, your instructor, and I wanted to give you some feedback on the first section of your employee handbook. I think you did a really nice job on this, and I just have a few comments of things that I think you should change before you do your final version at the end of the course. Um, First of all, on the positive side, you hit all of the 6 areas that were required in the assignment. So, bravo for that one. Um, Another thing that I really liked is that you made it very clear exactly what you were doing. So, what I would change with this is although I like the color of the different section headings, the lighter ones are very difficult to read. So I wouldn't use um, yellow or orange. I would bold those colored parts out so they stick out even more, but stick to dark colors. That'll make a difference in how legible it is. So I like what you did with this acknowledgement form. It was very detailed. The only thing that I would change there is instead of date employees, I would just say date. Pretty small change. Um, all in all, I'm very pleased with this. Feel free to reach me if you have any questions or you want to go over anything. All in all, great job.